This is a 2005 Grand Prix. It's the Purge vent control solenoid or something. I get that word all the way right for y'all. Well, you got to take the wheel off. Then you have two of these, which I don't know what size that is, but guess what? I got this socket right here. So let's see. Well, seven millimeter. Okay, so it's a 7 millimeters, two 7 millimeters, and one of the, where is that? This little shell type nut right here, and that size is 10 millimeter. So you need a 10 millimeter socket so far. You need a 7 millimeter socket, ratchet, and then you have to pull these two things out the bottom. These is, man, they never come out quite good. I got a clip puller right there. So I was able to get them out still intact. It's two of them, 1, 2. And then there's the Purge solenoid, if you can see it right there. All right, once I see what I gotta do to get that out, then I'm gonna show you all that. As I'm looking to try to see how I probably would take this off. That's the vent Purge solenoid right there. See how good of a view I can get y'all. I'm gonna check out what all years this is basically in the same spot, basically same kind of hookup. And I'm gonna see if I can maybe put the text on here while we watch it. But so I was looking to see if it's like a screw or something holding it on. It looks like right there in the back, right there, that's a little clip. Right there to the right, that little rusty piece, that's a clip. So I think once I take off that hose right there, that clamp look for that hose, and then I take off that thing with the wires, you see the clip, the wire harness. When I unplug them to it, it's like I think I'll be able to yank it off of there and then just take it. All right. Basically, y'all ain't miss anything, so just trying to keep you, so y'all, in case you thinking about doing this job yourself. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So, man, you see that piece? That's some fucking stupid, man. Well, look, man, it's hard. All right, you gotta sit down here like I am. See how I'm sitting? At the rear of the car. You gotta sit down here like I am. And then get something in your hand that allows you to go behind this and fiddle with this. That part right there. You know what I'm saying? Then this it though. That's the back thing that I ain't like. And that's it. I'm come back with the new one.